We're back. We are back. If you're not liked, subscribed, you know all the good stuff, make sure you are. Let's get it going. Straight up. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. And we're on. We're live. Let's do it. Want that up. Good. Chuck it in Discord. We're back. Oh, we are back. Let's do it. All right, let's wait for everyone to trickle on in. Let's make sure this isn't actually on. Why do I have so much open? Do I have two of these open? I do. Close that off, close that off. All right. You already know what time it is. Fuck yeah. Thoughts on short Nasdaq? I'll have a look at the Nasdaq. Let's have a look. I don't usually do Nasdaq anymore, but we're going to start doing it. I used to trade Nasdaq for a long time. Oh, well, bit of movement on Asia. There's a lot of movement during Asia now compared to when I used to trade Nasdaq. It's not a bad short. Is that all-time highs? Yes. So it really depends. If we can pop out of here, like if we break these levels, we're gonna pop. It seems like there's a bit of resistance coming through. Off of obviously pretty much all-time highs. So it's not the worst short. It's not the worst short. I would just pay close attention for a reversal back up, and potentially breaking up of these highs. We have PPI today as well, so be cautious of that. Big figures today. Let's try and get this going straight away. Fuck! Can't. God damn it. What up, Kia? How much are you making a day? It varies. Around 0.25 to 0.5% of my account. Really depends. I don't say dollar figures. I'm tempted to short with stop loss on all-time highs. It's just if it pops, it's going to pop. That's the thing. Gift, thank you very much for following me. Bro, what's the trade you taking? I'm actively in trades. I probably won't be taking one at the moment. James, thank you very much for following me. I'm in quite a few trades at the moment. Looking at, well, I can go through what I'm in at the moment, which is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, New Zealand dollar CAD, Euro New Zealand, Pound New Zealand, Euro odd, and Euro pound, which honestly I'm not too fond of having so much pound and Euro, New Zealand and odd. But that's right, we'll manage them. Some of them are in okay profit, like this one we're coming up to, I'm a swing trader, yeah. About halfway to take profit, so yeah. We'll see. I'll go through all the pairs shortly when everyone trickles on in. We just went live, so we'll have a look. Do you have to know what you're doing to be able to withdraw, or can you just gamble? I mean, technically you can just gamble. If you're with a prop firm, probably not though. If you're using prop, they'll probably call you out for gambling and deny payouts. Well, I don't do that. I've definitely had live accounts where I've just had fun, fucked around, and essentially gambled in. You can't take money out. What up, Bowdy? It's been a while. How are you? Sell or buy? I'm going to buy on this. This is pound odd. We'll go through the rest of them shortly. And yes, Graham, swing trader. RO's decent. Risk is 1-1. Yeah. I just want gold to retrace. It probably will. We'll go through gold in a second. I did have a tiny look at gold, and there's a lot to go in at the moment because it depends if you're a fundamental or technical trader on gold. At the moment, it's going to be two completely different biases. So we'll have a look. Migsy, thank you very much for the go pops in the heart, me. It's good to see you back. Why's my hair look so fucking puffy? Flattened, motherfucker. Please, thank you. Basically gambling and won't break all-time highs. Yeah, and you know what? It might. What's your average timescale? A couple of days. It does vary a lot, but probably around 2 to 3 days. If it's prop, they will call you out, so not worth it. Yeah, 100%. Good man yourself. Pretty good. We're good. We're back. Do you make a lot day trading living in Australia? I do well. Do you make enough to do this full time? Yep. Evening. How are we, Megsy? Full port 100x short gold. Oh, look. I just answered that. No turtleneck today. No. We got no shirt today. It was too fucking hot last night. Jesus Christ, I was sweating my balls off. I'm trying to learn what are some ways I can learn. Go to my Discord link to my bio, and I have a complete beginner's video, which I'm probably going to incorporate a new video, because this one was done 9 months ago. I'm probably going to incorporate a new whole beginner section into the mentorship area. Fuck, did my camera just freeze? Oh, for fuck's sake, it did, didn't it? Hold up. On a really good fucking spot, too. There we go. Yeah. You know what I need? There's something missing. There's something missing. Most of you will know what's missing. There we go. Now we're back. Thank you again, Measy, for the heart me and the go popular also. Yeah, I'm probably going to incorporate a massive, or maybe not massive, but a section for the mentorship for beginners. Rizzle, thank you very much for following me. How do you set up your taxes as a trader in Australia? Get an accountant. Do you trade the hours? Make more on the Forex-A? Forex-A? What? And do I trade the hours? What do you mean? Like session hours? I'm confused. Raf, thank you very much for following me. I can't pop this fucking flare. I really want to. I want to get it in early because that worked out really good for us yesterday. Celebrated a bit for the birthday. Took a couple of days to recover. Yes, happy birthday. It was the... I can't remember. Fuck, what day? I can't remember what day it was. But yes, happy birthday. Yeah, it did. What are your thoughts about linear? I don't even know what you're talking about. 5th. I was going to say 6th. How do I start day trading? As I said, go to my Discord. Discord link to my bio. It's free. Go watch the Trading for Beginners guide. Or join the mentorship and do one-on-ones with me. Oh, the hourly charts. Holy fuck. Did I actually just... Jesus. Hourly for my higher time frame bias. 5 minute for entry. Corbin Borrows, thank you very much for following me. 5th, yep. Yes, trade the A, bro. I don't know what A is. Still. Oz, 96, thank you very much for following me. Things are gonna be different around here. Very much different. Very, very much different. We're switching a lot of shit up. Because obviously I've been doing this for a long time. And we're just not getting the traction that we need. You know what I mean? So we're gonna try a bunch of other shit. In terms of delivering stuff to you. Sorry, Kiwi slang. Nah, you're good. You're good, no stress. Delivering to you guys. And I'm excited. I'm very, very, very excited. Come the fuck on. Ridiculous. Right. We'll wait for a little bit to get into the pairs. Just cross out all of this shit so you guys can look at the current portfolio. We have done nothing over the last 3 days because I obviously turned everything off, but a lot of it's back on now. As of today, it's all... God damn it. Is that correct? Yes. So pretty much everything's back on besides US pairs because I probably wait for PPI and then I'll turn them back on. I kind of want to see what sort of reaction we'll get, but so we're in 3.5% drawdown at the moment. We've done 3.32% for the month. Obviously, since Friday, you guys would have seen this if any of you would have paid attention. We did 3.32 in the first week of September, which was fantastic. And then I pretty much turned everything off for NFP. Oh, God, I saw it coming. Your local cactus eater. Thank you very much for the mini star. I appreciate that. Fuck my ears. Jesus. What's up? How are you? It does get old. My eardrums are not fond of me, but yes, thank you. Anyway, so everything's back on. We'll start getting into a few more positions. Obviously, we only had Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar on. We got into New Zealand dollar CAD as well. Maybe that was also on. I don't even know. I have not paid attention to the charts at all. Yeah, okay, that's been on for a couple of days then. Oh, I restarted the fucking VPS, so I can't see my entries. So it would have been here. God damn it. That's fucking annoying. Ah, dude. Ow. Ow. Please stop. Thank you very much for the mini star. Okay, so Friday. That's probably why I didn't notice, because it was Friday and I don't really look at the charts at all since Friday. Two positions which would have been there, and then we got in our third just then. So hopefully for a breakdown towards last week's high. If we get down there, we might wick out to our profit target, which is this gap fill here. So that's not the worst target. We are at resistance also. Decently strong resistance. I don't know if you guys can see this. You might have to go to YouTube or Kick or some shit, but we're at these levels and we're getting some rejection now, so hopefully we can just pump back down here and get out of that one nice and easy with 3 positions. That would be lovely. But besides that, we're only in Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, which, if I was fucking paying attention to, we could have gotten out of maybe. These are all broker candles, so this would have been spread to shit, and we wouldn't have actually been able to. That's why we didn't get out of this. So we would have been slightly spread here, unfortunately. Only ever so slightly spread out, so we didn't get out of this Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Didn't hit it here, and then this would have all been spread to fuck. So there's no way we would have gotten out of here. Like, the spread would have been up here or some shit. It just would have been dumb. So there's no way we would have gotten out of that Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. There just would have been too much. Not enough liquidity and just broker bullshit at the open. So it is what it is. Wish I could have caught that, but there's no way I'm catching 10 minutes of dump and then back up. Unless I was fucking staring at it. Maybe I should have had an alert, maybe not, whatever. What is this? Anyway. Fuck. So yeah, we're back up. Accumulating at the moment. See what happens. Obviously, the markets might go a bit crazy in the next 24-ish hours, because we have PPI and CPI, which is CPI is obviously a massive driver for interest rates, which they're expecting to drop next week for the US dollar, which will shake everything up. So we will see. We will see. The chart on display looks like you missed a daily to short it, now having the pullback before continuing lower on daily. What did I have open? It was like New Zealand or... No, I don't even fucking know. What was it? Would have been pound old or pound New Zealand? I honestly have no fucking clue what you're talking about though. Daily? We were like looking at this. It was a 5-minute chart. Null Frame Media, thank you very much for the rose. Never gets old. Good man, about to start my day trading journey. Well, at least you know someone who trades. Never really learned much. That's right. That's what I'm here for. You're still going. I was watching you 6 months ago. Killing it, legend. Thank you. Yeah, almost daily. I mean, we're still stuck at fucking shit viewers because TikTok hates us, but it is what it is. I apologize I don't remember you. I usually remember most people. But thank you very much for the rose, and I appreciate the kind message. Thank you very much. That's awesome. Hey bro, what you trading? Currencies. Daddy, fucking hell. What sort of trading is this? Currency trading. What are some good stock for a beginner? Don't trade stocks, so I wouldn't have a clue. What do you think of XRP? I have no thoughts on XRP. Wait till it dumps and then buy it. You might get lucky. No, you're a G. Awesome. What do you think of XRP? Okay, yep. I'm seeing you 20 years ago. Oh, Lucas, what up? What's some advice you give to a new person just starting? Focus on the process over the profits. Don't listen to all the bullshit you see online, and use a demo account until you're competent. Did Tom pass? What? What are you guys talking about? Sorry, what pair is this? This is pound New Zealand. I trade 16 different currency pairs. How do I even get into trading? Join my Discord. Discord link in my bio. I have a free beginners video. Gets you started, and then join the mentorship. Or just go straight to the mentorship, do one-on-ones with me. What's your return for this year? I can't remember. I'd have to check. Are you fucking serious? It's frozen again? What the fuck? What is happening? I don't know what the fuck is happening. Do I have anything open that I can close? I honestly, I don't know what the fuck is happening. Sorry guys, maybe just, yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. And my return for this year is probably 60, 70%. Something like that. Can't remember. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. Jozzy, thank you very much for following me. Are you in a trade? Yes. This is a trade that I'm currently in. I'm in quite a few. There is good. Yes. Thank you. Sorry about that. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Maybe she's just tweaking a little bit. Not cold. Nah, we're good. Sort of, not really. This trading is complicated as other creators make it look. Mate, other creators make it look easy. It's complicated. It's complicated, but I don't know. The other people just come up with all this terminology bullshit. It's like just so much garbage, man. Actually, I guess you're kind of right. They do make it complicated in a sense, right? And it's complicated, but it's not the way that they look at it. So they come up with all, like, think about ICT, right? ICT came up with all these technical terms and all this stuff for concepts that were already around to make you sound way smarter than you actually fucking are, because it's all a bunch of garbage. Want to trade, got nuggets and tortilla, and watching Tom's stream. What more can you ask for? That deserves the pin of happiness. If I could get into it, would in say 6 months of commitment, would I achieve wealth? No. Well, it depends on your account size, right? So you could start with a pretty decent sized account, and yeah, you could. You got to expect a profitable day trader to make between 3 and 10% per month on their account size, right? All these people in trading, right, use dollar figures too much, and I say this quite a bit, is that trading and your profits need to be based off of a percentage amount. And you look at all these other creators and all this bullshit that are saying, oh, I made $45,000 fucking dollars in this one trade. I made $300,000 in this one trade. And it's like, okay, but their account size is $15 million. You know, there was a very big creator. I'm not going to say who it is. You all would know who they are. And they posted a video of a trade that they went through where they made a large sum of money and won't share their account size, but they showed how much risk their stop loss was compared to how much they made, right? And so I calculated off their risk what their account size would actually be, and it was like $28 million or some shit. And they made like $30,000 in one trade. And it's like, come on, man. Like, this makes people think that they can make, and even still, people that promote trading a lot, like let's just say another large influencer in the trading space who promotes this shit and has their community and all of this stuff, is saying that, oh, fucking this person made $32,000 from their $6,000 investment. It's like, man, in the real world, you are not like 5xing your account, whatever the fuck it is, 10xing your account within like fucking 10 minutes. It's not fucking happening. So you gotta be speculative of those things, because they can really fuck you, because you get the wrong idea in your head. So think of it as a percentage-based kind of target. Anywhere between 3 to 10% per month is good. All right. Other question is, do you reckon TJR is dodgy? I don't think he's dodgy. I think he's a brilliant marketer, and he makes the majority of his money from his courses, because they're thousands of dollars, and he has hundreds of thousands of followers, millions of followers, and you know, shit happens. I don't know, I can't really think. We have 273 people in here apparently, which is kind of strange, but like, what the fuck? What is happening? If you're not following me, make sure you hit that follow button. Where are you from? Brisbane. TGR stop loss is about 100k, over 100k. Like, come on. You're genuine and honest. Thank you. All good. That's what we strive for in here. Genuinity. I don't know. And honesty, yeah. What's your thoughts on XRP? I don't really have thoughts on XRP. Amomar575, thank you very much for following me. Jono, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate that. We back? Apparently we're fucking back. Can I really use an AI trade bot whilst reading charts as a beginner? AI trade bot, I'd be speculative of. I use an expert advisor, which is something that I've developed myself. It's a bot that I've developed myself. And I know everything that goes into it, and that's what I give to people in the mentorship. I give that to them for free, and people charge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for it. And it basically just takes price action, like what we personally put into our bot. We can do our inputs and it will take those positions. So you don't really have to stare at the chart. So yes and no, I'd be speculative of pretty much any bot, because a lot of them are full of shit and don't work, but technically yes. Same surname, mate. Welcome. What up, Andy? I presume that's your last name. What's your first name? I'm sure it's not Andy Anderson. That'd be fucked. When's alt season? I don't know. I don't really do crypto. Justin, thank you very much for following me. Just thoughts on Aussie dollar, US dollar. US dollar. Okay, so we have, I mean, we're at resistance at the moment. Aussie dollar, US dollar has been on a bit of a upwards trajectory for a while. Very slow and steady, but I mean, it's been going on for fucking, what, a year now? Just this slow upwards. Obviously, we had that, which I believe was tariffs, but back to normal market structure. We've been just on a slow grind up. So we are somewhat at resistance at the moment, which might push us down. But the thing is we've got huge US dollar news coming up in the next 7 days. So just be speculative of anything US dollar that we have PPI tonight. If we have significant drops in PPI, we could be, you know, seeing quite a bit of movement, up or down. If we get negative PPI, that's gonna be bearish for the US dollar, which means we're going up. Same for CPI tomorrow. Thoughts on Aussie dollar CAD and New Zealand dollar CAD dumping soon? Same thing, CAD, US dollar, they tend to move in similar directions. So just be cautious of the both of those, because they could be going up quite significantly if we get a significant drop on PPI tonight. So we're expecting a drop to 0.3. If we get to, let's say 0.2, 0.1 bearish, could be bad. Same with, it's pretty much the same for CPI. We got 0.2, expected a bit of an increase. We got a drop, not good. So just be speculative of that the dollar could dump. Because that means, so basically there's a next Thursday morning, 4 a.m., we've got potential rate cuts, right? So we're most likely gonna drop the rates, that's the CAD, from 4.5 to 4.25. Now, they are thinking about going to 4, so dropping it 0.5. If that happens, I mean, a drop is going to probably be pretty bad for the US dollar regardless, but if they go to 4 flat, it's US dollar. So these figures here, we've got, I don't know if you guys can really, oh yeah, you can. CPI and PPI, pretty important tonight. So, and tomorrow. So keep a lookout for that, be speculative. All my US dollar shit is still off. I don't know if I want to keep it off, but I just don't want to, just while I'm in this Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar pretty exposed, I don't really want to start getting into a bunch of other shit. Sad Schematic and Nkick Abang D8. Thank you very much for following me. Bro, it's so refreshing listening to this live after listening to all the info you see online. Fake stuff you see online. Yeah. There's so much bullshit, man. It's all just course selling, fucking, like, drive this fake lifestyle into people, and then, like, you know what I mean? It's all bullshit. I've been doing this for a long time now. I've fucking seen through all the bullshit, and it catches you. It caught me too. Back in the day, it was like, holy shit, maybe I can be fucking rich as shit. And prop firms as well. Prop firms, get rich quick scheme. I'm having a beer and tug right now. Fuck yeah. But glad you can enjoy the stream. I appreciate it. Elusive, thank you very much for following. All right, buddy. Yapper. What's your bias later? Sell or buy? Depends on PPI. I would like Aussie dollar CAD, New Zealand dollar CAD to dump. Would be fantastic. Might not happen. Maui dropped from 267 to 67. That was a really weird spike. I don't know what the fuck happened. Like, really weird. It was almost like fake, you know? Like, I don't know what that was. I can't see, but thanks for following. Jende, thanks for following. Mr. Lopez, give us a flex. Ah! How many pickles can you fit up your... I don't know. I'll try later. You want me to stream it? He did a stream on Kick where he did that? Yeah. Actually, fuck. Do I not have the Kick channel? I do. Good morning. What up, Brock? Thoughts on Top Step? Pretty reputable prop firm. Like, yeah, they're pretty decent for considering prop firms kind of suck. They're pretty good. The results, 7 pickles. I thought you might have forgotten about that. I was a bit drunk, so, you know. Jesse, thanks for following me. Maddie, thank you. Wasn't it 8? Fucking hell. For real. It helped the way they were slippery from the pickle juice. What the fuck? You trade gold? No. Holy man, been a minute. What up, man? It has been a minute. What's been going on? How's your week? How's time flying by? Very lovely. I don't remember XD, at least 7 though. You guys are fucked. Marvel, thanks for following. Just because you were drunk doesn't mean I can't remember. True. True. God damn, we feel good today. We feel good. We feel good. Let's get stuck into it. How can get part of your team? What do you mean by that, Justin? Like, are you talking about the mentorship group? Are you talking about the free group? Are you talking about me pay you? I'm confused. Let's have a look at the likes. Eating chips, I've never seen that name ever. And they are peaked. 4,499. Meegsy, 3,608. Dinora, 528. 1977210. 462. Still getting over this fucking flu. Will J, 116. No name, 93. Jam B, 78. Your local cactus eater, 37. Fucking hell. Mentorship. Mentorship's linked in my bio. So if you go to my link tree and then you click on, I think it's mentorship and bot access or some shit, or maybe it just says mentorship now. I don't know if I've changed it. The link is in my bio in the link tree. One of the cheapest and most value mentorships you will find. 100%. Like 1,000%. What is it? Yeah. So, mentorship and bot access, that's where the mentorship is. How long does the course last take? Depends. It's like 5 to 6 hours of video, but that's not where I want everything to kind of be. Like, I want to work with you one-on-one, and it doesn't cost extra either. You know, people charge like fucking thousands to get in calls with them, or hundreds of dollars to get in calls with them and all that shit. That's all included. It's all included. This is a course beginner friendly. You could say that. And if you have questions, just ask me. I'm literally in front of my computer 23 hours a day. I'm at home 23 hours a day, but I'm in front of my computer all the time. So You could be a beginner and go in there and do it. Yeah, 100%. And I'm probably going to do like a beginner video for it. Does it get a bit lonely though, being inside all the time? Yeah. Yeah. It's a tough thing, but it's like, you know, I'd rather be doing this than having a fucking job and working for someone any day. Any day. But yeah, it does a bit. That's why I try and do as much as I can on the weekends, because I'm literally isolated. I go to the gym for 1 hour a day. Sometimes 2, depending on what I'm training, but you know. But yeah, jump the fuck in. You have me. You have me. Someone that's been doing this for 5 years. And you get access to me and to talk to me all the time. What more could you want? Done entry. Have I done an entry? Is that what you're asking? I'm in lots of positions right now. Kick. Hi, Brocky2. I feel like Winnie the Jew on Wednesday, mate. How about you? Hey, Dean. How was gym today, bro? What you work on today? You asking me? How gym was? We got a McDonald's in this small town and the whole town is lining up for burgers. Shit. Love that Mackie D's. Oh, gym, I did cardio today. Watching live from Kumamoto. Where is that? Is that a joke? Oh, it's a real place. Dude, that's sick. Dude, fuck yeah. Welcome. How do you say hello in Japanese? Bonjour. Bonjour. That's it? Bonjour? Buy or sell? I'm in buys and sells. What are you talking about? Mr. Pablo? I'm really interested in joining your community, but I'm still skeptical because I've never done this. That's fine. Good. That's a good thing. You should be cynical towards these things and think that everybody's fucking being a piece of shit, because almost everyone in this fucking industry is. You don't have to join. You don't have to fucking do anything. You can come into these live streams a bit more, talk to me, ask me questions, whatever you want to do. I do not push my community like every other fucking person. It is what it is. If you have questions, you can always DM me as well and just ask me. I'm here to help. Hit a pound, sell breeding. We got money printing. What pair? I'm sitting around doing fuck all on this one. Pound odd as well. Same thing. Pound card. I don't think I'm in it, no? No. Oh, card's off. I'm an idiot. This is French, bro. That's French, mate. Nah. Bonjour. Bonjour, mademoiselle. That's Japanese. You guys are tripping. I don't think you guys know what the fuck you're talking about. Привет. Я немного говорю по-русски. That's Japanese, right? You commit a bit of tax fraud. I'm looking to. I hope the course covers it. No comment. He can touch you too. Do you teach strategies on how to take on a trade? I'm struggling with gold right now. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. It's all in the mentorship. For extra 20 bucks. I know a guy who can teach you to trade gold. Oh my God. Are 6-figure months realistic? Trading pool guy says he makes that. It depends on your account size. What is it? Fucking music! Turn it off. Turn it off. Yuck. Bro, I watch Alex vids, and when he loses, he deposits money. I seen it in his history. No way, really? Like FX Alex G. So then he says he made money anyway, but like how? Yeah, I mean, he's a complete fraud. He's been called out for being a complete fucking fraud 1,000 times. Like, I don't know why the fuck people even believe it. Anyway, so Sammy, look, if you have a large enough, so Trading Pool says that he makes 5% a month, I believe, around there. So if he was making $100,000, he would have to have a $2 million account. Thoughts on US dollar yen right now? I've spoken a couple of times about the US dollar. It's very sketchy at the moment because obviously we have PPI and CPI coming out. We're at yesterday's high at the moment, flip-flopping around. Nothing's happening. Nothing probably will happen till figures tonight. If we get a significant drop on the figures, the US dollar's probably going to go down. Obviously, it's going to be bear. I mean, it'd be bearish regardless, but we got to factor in that they're looking to drop rates between 0.25 points and 0.5 points. So if we get lots of bearish news, the Fed's going to be looking at that to drop rates by 0.5. So it's so hit and miss, man. So hit and miss. I'm not trading any US dollar pairs right now. So tread with caution. Tread with caution. Yo, what up, Tom Anderson? What up, Cade? I can teach you if I want to. You go live stream then. Don't be poaching in here. Dot, thanks for following. I'm up 8% after 3 days. Good job. Good job. It's pretty good. Day at resistance level. For what? Yosef Sayum Yusef. DXY. I don't even know if I have that. I just have to fucking look it up on like surely I have that on here. No. I'm only kidding, love you. Love you too. Trying to grow a 700 account. What should I risk? $700 account? I don't know. How the fuck does he have so much money though? Do you know how much money influencers fucking make? Look at half the influencers that don't sell anything, right? They have brand deals and fucking all sorts of other shit. If you think that guy made money from trading, like millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars from trading, come on. Let's be real. He doesn't. You just look at what the fuck he's doing. He's got fucking no clue. Like, he genuinely seems like he has absolutely no clue how to fucking trade. Had 2 Bugattis and 1 jet before 25. Broke a deal for short. Yeah. Yeah. Affiliate marketing and shit. He's a huge fucking influencer. Isn't the broker deals like they get the amount of money someone deposits? No. No. It depends on the broker, actually. I think one of the deals that a broker approached me for was similar to that. So it could be. But my broker pays me virtually nothing for people that join. Our favorite slave, Mick. What up, Mick? How are we? Facts, I'm GJ's slave today. Cut a trade when I saw it was gonna chop. Rip. Nice stream, bro. Thank you, Trading RFX. Follow me if you feel like following me. That'd be awesome. Thanks. I heard TJI has that kind of deal. Of course he does. Of course he does. 100%. The only reason, so I can have that kind of deal too, right? But the only reason I don't is because a lot of the time, and almost all of the brokers have shit conditions. It's the only reason why I have been with Black Bull for a very long time and I have an affiliate link with Black Bull is because I fucking use them, and I'm not gonna recommend some shit fucking broker to people for my own benefit. Like, I'm just not gonna do that. Bro, it's my first time to join. I'm from Uganda. How can get update whenever you're trading live? I come on here at 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So 45 minutes ago, I start my stream. So whatever time that is, I'll be live. Yeah, 700, I'm at 754 right now. Drop the risk, right? Because if you increase your risk, you can always blow your account. Like the risk, I mean, you can change the risk based on how much you have if you want to go a bit fucking crazy, right? But what I recommend is drop the risk to a normal risk, right? Normal risk, and build your account up. Build it up. Go fucking work 2 jobs. Chuck the money into your account. Just keep building it and building it and building it, and drop the risk all the way down so you can build it and keep using compounding as well to make it bigger. Risking a lot more just, puts you at a higher risk of just blowing it, losing it all completely. Our number one priority, and this is something I say in the masterclass video on the mentorship, our number one priority should be capital preservation, right? We need to preserve the money that we have. If we have no money, we can't trade. What guy are you talking about? FX Alex G. What size account is recommended to start with? I always say a couple of grand. Sometimes it's not as accessible to others. I started with quite a large account size because I demo traded for 2 years before I ever put any of my money in. So a couple of grand is probably what I would recommend. If you can't get that, less is okay. But remember, 3 to 10% is what we'd probably be looking at for our monthly gains. Yes, you can make more. Are you going to? I don't fucking know. If you risk more, you can make more. There's some guys in the mentorship that are risking shitloads and making shitloads, but I always tell them, got to be super careful. Buy. Quick buy. I'm good. Too late. Huh? It's not even oversold. Yeah, I don't know. You know, what broker do you use? Black Bull Markets. Links in my bio. If you want to use my link, that would be much appreciated. I probably won't make a single fucking cent, but still appreciated. Are there many scam brokers out there? Scam brokers, I wouldn't necessarily say they're scams, but you have to be cautious about ones that are not regulated anywhere, that are based out of some fucking empty lot in Bermuda or the Seychelles. Like, just be cautious. Depends where you're from. If you're from Australia, there's no point you wouldn't use Black Bull. Absolutely no point. Like, why wouldn't you use them? Bowman, thanks for following me. Callum G, thanks for following me. Yes, okay, thanks, bro. Just what I'm doing. I started with 40, I'm now at 600. Fucking hell. It's good effort. Master Leon FX, thanks for following me. What do you think of prop firms? Who's a good broker for Australia? Black Bull Markets, links in my bio. The other thing is, if you use Black Bull, I've just been able to allow people to do this because they now have a verification process where I can verify the people who are in it. If you use Black Bull with my link and the requirements are met for me to receive affiliate payments, you just get mentorship for free for a month. You don't have to fucking pay me anything, but that does require you to deposit anything. It's all in my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. Go read on the announcements. Go read it. What do you think of prop firms? Okay, prop firms, right? Great question, and we get this a lot, but we've got a few people in here, so I will explain. So let's get pick a prop firm. Pick a prop firm that you guys are interested in. Chuck it in the comments, and we'll have a look, and I'll show you some shit. Vedant Grover, thanks for following me. What about IBKR? That's a broker, right? IBKR. Yeah, Interactive Brokers, I thought it was. I have looked at them before, obviously. For Australia? FTMO. No, prop firms. That's what I meant to say. Prop firms. Chuck a prop firm in. You probably will get virtually no leverage with these guys. You'll probably only get 1 to 30 leverage, which is fucking useless. So if you get 1 to 500, sweet. If you don't, garbage. Highest high for the day. Huh? Bro, do you answer if someone comes in your DMs? Because I would like to get more advice from you. Yeah. Discord's easier. TikTok's fucking hard, man, because I get so many fake messages on fucking Discord. I mean, TikTok. Did I say Instagram? Fuck, my brain. FTMO. Okay, we'll probably look at FTMO. Concept Trading. Never even heard of them. Concept Trading. FTMO, then Funded. Okay, well, I mean, it doesn't really matter. We'll just do FTMO, right? So, oh shit, you guys aren't gonna be able to fucking see this. Hold up. Alright, can you guys still see that slightly? Alright, so this is just basic. Whatever. Ah!
Hello, everybody.
Sorry, got distracted. Where's an account? Alright. Two-step, standard two-step. Let's go. I mean, fuck. We'll do 15,000 Australian dollars. Alright? Actually, fuck it. It's just gonna be easy to do that. Alright. So you have a $10,000 account. $10,000. If you pass, holy shit, I got $10,000 I can trade with. No. No, you don't. You have $500 to trade with, right? This is how much they give you, $500 to trade with. So you got to trade as if you're trading with $500. So the bigger the account, the better, right? So if you can get, some of these end up being more than the others, but anyway, say you got a $200,000 account. You're actually trading with a $10,000 account. And then you've got to make $10,000 off it. You got to double your account, otherwise you're risking too much. Right? And this is what people get this so unbelievably wrong about prop firms, is you do not have $200,000 to trade with. You have $10,000 to trade with. That's it. Because if you blow this, it's gone. You really got to be cautious of that. So if you ever do go with a prop firm, I'd be getting the biggest fucking thing you can. Going quite risky till you pass, if they allow this, because sometimes they don't. Go pretty risky until you pass, and then drop the risk all the way down as if you're trading with a $10,000 account. Or maybe go a little bit riskier if you really want to, but that's what I would do. The other thing is the majority of the prop firms, and I say this a lot too, is prop firms, like you have a statistical disadvantage of becoming a profitable trader. You're probably not going to become a profitable trader, right? 95% of traders don't make money. They end up losing money. So if you go over to a prop firm, which has even more rules that you have to adhere to, the chances of you becoming a profitable trader through prop is very, very, very small amount. And they know this, right? They know this. So I got to be very careful with them. Pierce, thanks for following me. Which way easier me to communicate with you, bro? Through Discord. Concept Trading is based in Brisbane, I think. Really? Capital FX, thanks for following me. One day the blessed one will bring the foreign army against the nation of Edom. Christians and Jews will rule over them. Jews will be must. Okay. How do you feel about ASST? I don't know what that is. What is that, Riley? Do you have to pay it back? Pay back what? Like if you have a prop and you, no. It's all virtual funds. You don't have to pay back shit. Do you trade Forex? Yes. Currencies. What leverage do you use? 1 to 500. What pair do you trade? I trade 16 different pairs. Anything Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, CAD, US dollar, pound New Zealand. Wait, pound euro. Fucking hell. I muddled that up. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, CAD, pound, euro. I used to trade Swiss and yen too, so I used to trade 28 different pairs, but I can all Swiss and yens. The world's too fucked up at the moment. What do you think of pound US dollar? We can have a look at a technical standpoint. Fundamentally, it's a very scary pair to be trading right now. Fuck. We need to make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Is that better? You guys probably can't see much though. This is a tough one. From a technical standpoint, I do have all US dollar and CAD pairs off at the moment too because of PPI, CPI, interest rates. I'm just a bit sketchy at the moment. Plus NFP on Friday, I just didn't want a bar of it, to be honest. All right, so fuck, man, I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole, to be honest. I wouldn't touch this at all. Technically, we're in the middle of yesterday's low and last week's high. We're smack bang in the middle. Will we go back up here or trickle on back down here? There's not going to be a lot of movement on the US dollar, I don't think, until PPI comes out tonight. And then people will speculate on CPI, and then the CPI speculations will turn into interest rate speculations, and it's just, I don't think there'll be a lot of movement until the news drops, which is what, 10:30, I think? Yeah, 10:30. I wouldn't touch this at all. There is nothing here for me. Potential resistance on a 5-minute time frame. Might get rejection back down to yesterday's low, and we might just flip-flop around, but man, anyone's guess what happens from here. If we break out of here, we'll obviously climb up a little bit, maybe fill this gap, we'll come up to last week's high and then pop back down. I really don't know. Too much fundamental, everybody's just kind of waiting. What is the average leverage? And is it the same as if you use 10K and 100 leverage? What is the average leverage? And is it the same as if you use 10K and 100 leverage? The average leverage of what? Sorry, I'm a bit confused on what you mean by the average leverage. And is it the same as if you use 10K and 100 leverage? Is it 10K times 100? I mean, yeah. That's just how much buying power you have. What pair would you recommend is the safest? There is no safest pair. How can you read off Forex Factory and assume where price is going? You can't. It's all speculation. Everyone's speculating. My rabbi said gold will hit 10. Okay. Is this NQ? No, this is pound US dollar. Remember my funded futures? Wait, no. Why can I not remember the name? But yes, I do remember. My funded futures. My Forex fund. I thought it was that. I was trying to, but no. My funded futures is a prop firm now. My Forex fund. Yeah, that's the one that fucking, bro. It was like the world ended in prop world. So I think what happened there was, if I can really remember, I've never been a prop firm guy, but I don't remember the whole fucking, oh my god, everyone lost their fucking mind. There was something to do with the regulations weren't being adhered to, and there wasn't enough warnings about them being, it all being virtual funds, and people thought that it was real money, but it wasn't actually real money or some shit like that. I honestly can't really remember. I remember it was fucking like World War III in the prop world, and everybody was freaking the fuck out, and prop was fucking, it was fucked. But yeah, my Forex fund, yeah. And a lot of people lost a lot of money. What is your average leverage that you use? You said 1 to 500. Yes. It's always 1 to 500. How much leverage gets allocated to each trade? I don't know. I don't know the math on that. 1 to 30 probably? Nah. Okay, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. 777, hello. I have a question, of course. Sorry, I gotta reply to Kick. Of course, man, I appreciate a follow too. I don't know if that guy followed or if he's even in here anymore, but sure. Mick, I took a trade on power. Okay, you guys. Okay, sure. Make you up. Okay, blah blah blah. Oh, Tom, what's the news website that you use? Not Forex Factory, because I use Redbox on X. Just digging for use doesn't help. Financialjuice.com. I use Forex Factory. Yeah. Which nothing's really happened. There was some tariff shit. Yeah. Trump tells EU to hit China and India with 100% tariffs to pressure Putin. That's about it. The other thing, was some war shit. Israel, yes. Israel sent bombs into fucking Qatar. Whether that did anything to the Swiss, I don't know, because I don't really pay attention to that anymore. No, not really. No. Flip-flopping around. So all I know is the time, sessions, and candlesticks. If I was to start right now on a funded account, would that be the best idea, or learn more than try? Absolutely do not. If that's all you know, do not start on a funded account. I know it's probably not what you want to hear, but that's a fucking terrible idea. You need to be a profitable trader before you even decide to think about funded accounts. If all you know is sessions and candlesticks, don't do it. It's fun for speeches and shit. Yeah, Forex Factory. Not Forex, financialjuice.com. Thank you. Do you have anything set up on Financial Juice, or rather what sections are the best one? Fuck dude, it's been the same for so long. Oh shit, whoops. I don't know if I've turned anything off or on. Nah. I think it's just everything. I feel like I turned something off. Like there was something that used to always pop up. And it was real weird. It was like yellow or something. I can't really remember, but I don't remember what I turned off or turned on or anything. Was it crypto shit? I think it was a fucking crypto shit. Hello? Oh, fuck off. Yeah, it was just crypto shit. But I don't know, it's gone now. I can't remember what I did. Do I do it? Fake trader. Yeah. Oh my god. I do, yeah. I do. Yep. I actually have no idea what I'm doing. This is, dude, I've been doing this for like a month. I've been trading for a month, bro. Like I know what I'm doing. Well, I know a bit more, just unsure on how to begin. Bro, this guy's, it's always just, yeah. Okay, Snoop Dogg. I'm not even gonna fucking, join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. How long did it take for you to turn profitable? A year and a half. And then I went live after 2 years. I was demo trading for 2 years. You laugh when I say about the big war, but look at the news. Can't say I never told you. I just, bro, I don't know. Rock Top Boy. Welcome back. One of the OGs. Offer my golden goose. Sabir Elias, thank you for following me. And Johan Ramper, thanks for following me. What market are you on? This is Euro Odd. Big wheels. Thoughts on the CPI news tomorrow? What up? I thought it was Dean. So we have interest rates next week, right? So interest rates potentially dropping for the US dollar. Almost definitely dropping for the US dollar, but you never really know, right? Now, they're forecasted a 0.25 point drop. That could turn into a 0.5 drop very quickly, right? So CPI and PPI are going to be the factors. The Fed's definitely going to look at these figures for guidance towards dropping interest rates, either 0.25 or 0.5. If we get drops on forecast, like if we go below forecast on PPI and CPI, or even just CPI, they will probably look towards dropping it 0.5 potentially. I'm leaning towards that more. If we get as expected or above, they will probably keep it at 0.25, but it's very hit and miss. It's hard to say what's going to happen. It's very hard to say. So if we get drops on these, you could see the US dollar shitting itself on both PPI and CPI. So I would be very cautious. I've turned everything back on except for US dollar and CAD. I'm just so speculative. There's just so much shit going on. I just don't want a fucking bar of it, to be honest. I really don't. And we had a good start to the month. I don't know if it's worth it. I'm still in this fucking Aussie or New Zealand dollar, which, even though we're in fuck all drawdown on it, I'm very exposed on it. So if this pops, it's just, I'm going to be in a lot of drawdown. So I'm happy. I'm kind of happy with just staying where I'm at. I'm in, 7 pairs at the moment that are not US dollar related. So yeah, I'm happy with kind of sitting where I'm at the moment. Okay. Thanks, bro. Love your lives. Thank you. Good energy. Thank you very much. I'm not reading any more of this Vulture FX shit. Sakran, thank you for following me. Dajim and Cyber Lobbies. I like that name, Cyber Lobbies. I don't know why, I just do. Thank you for following me. Wouldn't the news make gold extremely bullish on top of its run? Yes. So if you... when I had a look at gold before... That's interesting. Obviously I didn't see this, but we've kind of popped, which is interesting. So from a technical point of view, you would, I mean, fuck, we've popped a little bit, but if this flips back down, you are 100% short on this. If you're technical, if you're fundamental, you're going long. It's such a... I mean, even technical, man. Like with this pop here, it kind of... I was looking around here when we were just flip-flopping around. I didn't see this pop, which, I mean, we might drive back down into these levels. Just gonna have to wait. But you are correct, unknown SC. If we get bearish news on US dollar, we're going up on gold. Gold core PPI going where? I pretty much just explain that. Yeah, bro, I have so many CADs and nods open at the moment. A bit worried, to be honest. Yeah, I have no CADs open, just Aussie dollar. Not really worried about it. But yeah, it's just too much going on. If you can get out of them, get out, turn them off. Holistic Life, thank you very much for following me. Didn't know TJ Dillashaw did trading. Do I look like TJ? I think I'm a bit wide-eyed without the tattoos. I live in a tent in the woods, so I don't have to worry about rent. Only food and internet. In GTA. That's funny. Yes, interesting pop on gold. Yeah, popped pretty recently. Was just consolidating for a bit there. Yeah. No volume. Zero volume. I guess that was probably coming out of the back of London. But zero. Me and my buddy own ZMW Trading. You should look us up, help each other out. 306% profit this year. That's a lot. I don't know what that is. CMW Trading. Yeah, I don't know. Waiting for it to pull back a bit more before jumping in. Probably a good idea. Which market is this? This is gold. Get off my screen before all the gold people come in. I don't trade gold. Randy, thanks for following me. Shorted Aussie or US dollar. 100. What the fuck? Was this like a swing? Or did you just get in short? Dude, that's a big fucking short. And why there? It's a strange place to short to. Gold is a mean bitch, but can be beauty at times. ZWM. Yeah, I did do CMW. Yeah, I'll look at it. Interesting. We're on the BBB and Wall Street Journal 2019 cover. Fucking hell. Good effort. That's huge. Shorting on today's low. That's not today's low. 65,700. It's down here. Today's low. 65,798. Pretty much 6,800. 65,800. 65. Yeah. We use what? 52 buy. What? We also have a Discord server as well. We're trying. Pretty good fucking effort. You trade NQ, ES, or NQ1? No. Marlon, thank you very much for following me. Appreciate that. Abdu, hello. What do you trade? Currencies. Last time gold ran like this was in 2012. It ran for 9 years and went up around 500%. Might be a good time to get in then. Tommy Pick 90, thank you very much for following me. Thank you very much for liking as well. I appreciate that. How are the likes doing? Holy shit. 1977210, 11,348 likes. Meegsy, 6,568. Eating Chips, 4,635. Dinorta, 767. Vince, 212. Will J, 183. Mario, 176. Master Leon, FX, 145. And Sammy, 145. Thank you guys very much for the likes. How many do we have total? 29,000. Let's fucking go. Gold buy or sell. If you're a technical trader, sell. If you're a fundamental trader, buy. It's a difficult one. Yummy. Ooh. Teach men to fish and he's good. People want to be fed signals. I know. Teach me how to set this up. What do you want to set up? Will? So which pair do you trade on? I trade 16 different currency pairs concurrently. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, CAD, pound, euro. Bro, why every time I swipe past you live, you're having a munt? How much rack do you consume? I've never done it in my life. I get the accusations constantly though. All the time. Signals are like the equivalent of going for a master's degree and then deciding you want a random person off the street to sit the exam for you. Kinda, yeah. Pretty much. That is pretty true, yeah. It is pretty fucked. You'd love it, bro. I doubt it would. What's funny? 1970? Did we just lose sound? Why'd it give me a sound error? The fuck? How many hours a day on average would you trade? 1 to 3. A lot of it's just managing the positions that I'm in because I developed an expert advisor, which is kind of like a bot that gets me into my positions and out of them sometimes too. So a lot of it's just managing the positions that I'm in. Because I'm usually in quite a lot. Like currently, I am in 15 on 7 different currency pairs. Which strategy, price action, ICT, SMC, or something new? I mean, ICT and SMC suck. I use fundamentals and technicals. I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale, similar to grid trading. It's definitely not new. It's been around for a very, 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 very long time. But because it's not ICT or SMC, people think it's fucking stupid, even though they're stupid because they think ICT fucking works. The guy was a fucking fraud. He was a fraud. People have exposed him many, 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 many times. He took concepts from other people, renamed them, and claimed them as his. He's a fucking fraud. I don't know why the fuck people still fucking trade ICT. It is fucked. Sick of it. Sick of hearing about fucking ICT. And then paying them, and if it goes wrong, you don't even know what was wrong. Yeah, literally. Literally. That's literally what signals are. No, we good. Tom, mind sitting my hypothetical final exam of a law degree at Harvard, and I'll pay you $200 US dollars for it. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Dude, that is literally what signal services are. It's such garbage horseshit. It's ridiculous. Bye. I watched a guy do a video on him, always had my suspicion. Yeah, I've watched like 10 videos of him being fucking a fraud. Lots of ICT students went missing. Yeah, they probably clicked off this. What time frame are you on? 5 minute. I do entries on 5 minute, high time frame bias, 1 hour. You're selling a course. I have a mentorship. He created a cult. He really did, dude. He really fucking did. Like, I mean, kind of good on him, because he's probably rich as fuck now. But at the same time, I'm sick of fucking hearing ICT bullshit. It's like, god damn it. MT4, hello? Why did I just fucking lose connection? Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to sign in. After, I don't know why the fuck that just happened. Weird. But that's okay. Are you entering long? On this, yes, I am long. I recommended him last Christmas, but got so fed up by the videos going on and on. You recommended him last Christmas. Or you got recommended by him, to him. But yeah, I mean, I don't fucking know. I've never, like, really watched any of his shit. Asep, I don't know your name. Thanks for following me. Someone recommended to him. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, fuck, he's a fucking fraud anyway. Hey, can you say no? Because it's gonna be some stupid shit that's backwards, or it's gonna be some fucking cook shit in a different language. Not doing it. I'm gonna look it up. Okay, we just regained connection for some fucking reason. Nah, dude. Nah. I just looked that up. And it's coming up with the PH. So I'm good, brother. I'm good. Dean. As they say, bullshit baffle brains. Yeah. Means in Filipino, Paul is so handsome. No, it doesn't. Does not. If you ask me to say it one more time, I'm just gonna mute you. Yes, I agree with you. We think the same. Good. Oh, Tom, don't forget to do a promo when you get 99 out of 100 win rate and say if you want to win, join my group and never lose in life again. Yeah. Why is the DD going off? I don't know, I lost connection if that's what you were talking about. For some reason to MT4, which is weird. Alright, new people in the Discord, welcome. Robbo, Ozkala, Meds, Godwin, and Akako. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Discord. Oh shit, we broke 5.2k followers. Nice. Amara, thank you. Thank you very much, I appreciate that. What's going on? 30k likes too, fucking hell. Can you say happy birthday to my friend? No. What are you doing? Playing table tennis. Tony Hansen, thanks for following me. Amara, yes, haha, very funny. Sell or buy. Bro, stop. I don't know. Amara said, sent 30, love you so much. Thank you very much. I appreciate that a lot. You do not have to send me any more gifts. Sent enough. But thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for the 9 heart puffs. I appreciate that a lot. Multi. Sideways. Lost bro sell. I don't know. I don't know why you keep asking me buy or sell or buy. Like, why do you keep asking me that? It's very strange. Like, what do you want me to apply to that? Oh shit, that looks so fucking tasty. Crypto trader maybe. What up, Paulie? How are we? How are we? Awesome. No closer to sorting my shit out, but getting there. Bro, we're sorted. It took less than 24 hours. I'm good. Straight, 100% focused. More focused than fucking ever. 24 hours done. Everything is fucking just A1. A1. Fucking crazy. You've got it, bud. You've got it. 1970. First gift. First gift. 1970, motherfucking Rose. Thank you very much. That's fucking awesome, bro. Thank you. That's very cool. Paulie sent a rock the motherfucking stage. Let's go. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Do you need help? What do you need? Sorting your shit out. We can do it, brother. We can do it. It's just lock the fuck in. Massive mess, but I got this. Message me. Let's get a plan going. Brother, what do these green and red lines mean? Confused and intrigued. It's basically just people speculating on the market, buying it and selling it, which makes the market go up and the market go down. So each one of these are basically orders being filled, making the market go up or down. And then these are 5 minute time. It is 5 minute? Yeah, this is a 5 minute time frame. So each one of these represents 5 minutes of buying and selling. So if there's more buyers than sellers, it will be green. If there's more sellers than buyers, it will be red. Pretty straightforward. Thank you very much again, Paulie, for the Rock the Stage 1970 and fucking Amara for everything else. I appreciate that, guys. Did we see that? Did we all see that Irana Zarutska shit? Did you all see that? It's taken the internet by storm. Like, everyone's kind of losing their fucking mind over it at the moment. It's like, it's turning into this whole race thing and like, I don't know, man. It's fucking crooked, eh? So they get on the bus train, yeah. Yeah, it was, that died, yeah. It's really fucked up that just everybody kind of just stood back and just watched. Like, I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, I can't say that out loud, Mick. But it was very sad. But I mean, like, man, you spend enough time. I used to spend, this is some psycho shit, but you know how there was always that one guy that would watch like Live Leak when you were like 10 years old? That was me. So I've seen it all. And I mean, it wasn't that, like, that shit just happens all the fucking time. It's just because it caught the internet. The internet's fucking, eye. And because it was some pretty blonde white girl and there was a bunch of colored people. Is that bad to say, actually? Jesus. People of color. And yeah, it just went fucking crazy. But I mean, OG. Well, I was going to say best score, but hopefully I don't get in trouble for that. But yeah, best score. I used to watch best score like all the time. What up, Sienna? How are we? Everybody's sensitive in 2025, man. Oh, yeah. Have you watched Black Mirror before? If not, go have a watch. It's fucking class. I have not seen Black Mirror. I think I've seen one episode, maybe. That's it. Oh, thank you for subscribing. Shoaib Patel. Are you on the Gold Coast? Nah, Brisbane. I'm good. I got 100% on another test. Congratulations and good job. Fuck yeah. Good job. Bro, I'm acing on my tests. Good job. That's fucking awesome. That is really good. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. I just saw something about Donald Trump made a fucking statement about it. I did not see this. But really fucked up that no one fucking... That's the problem. I don't know if anybody was... I don't know if any of you guys were around when that shit happened to me. And that... But... And when, you know, what was it, like 2 months ago? When my phone got smashed to bits and, you know, I took on that guy and for inappropriately touching a female and not a single person fucking did anything. It's the same shit. Everyone's just scared. It's just, I don't know, man. Made 700 today in 2 trades today. Starting to get better. Only 3 months in trading now. That's pretty good. Great job, Will. Great job. Gold. I don't trade gold. If you're a technical trader, go short. If you're fundamental, go long. Ali, thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. Rose smells so good. My fucking nostrils still blocked from the flu, but you know what I mean. Every episode's different. Initially just takes the piss of how fucked up people are and are going to be with future tech. Yeah, I might actually watch that because I really like dystopian future technology stuff. Oh shit! Ali with 37 roses and Sienna with 2 TikToks. And we just hit 3,500 people that have come through the live. Thank you guys very much. Thank you all very much. Thank you, Sienna. Thank you, Ali. It's very kind. Will Forex. Yes, I trade Forex. Wait. Alright, yeah. Sorry, I was confused. Let the gold go down. I'm in sell. Good luck. That's the world we live in, Tom. If it's not on Instagram or X, it didn't happen. Yeah, I know. Excruciating, bro. Excruciating. Thank you guys very much again for the gifts. That's super awesome. Very kind of you guys. What's the how long have we been streaming for? 2 hours. 8:30. I'll jump off in a sec. how was your day? My day was really good, Sienna. We did a lot today. And we're fucking back. We're back, better than ever, feeling good, looking good, sounding good. Maybe not, but sounding good. But everything else, absolutely fucking fantastic. Took 24 hours to turn everything around, and we are back to complete normal. We're actually better. We're better. And we're locking the fuck in. And guess what? Today was actually our highest viewed, our highest peak that we've had in live views. We got up to like 270 or something. Signal bro. What are you trading tonight? Currencies. Analyze pound yen. I don't trade pound yen. One of the only pairs I do not pound, but I can have a look in a second. Right, let's get it up. From a technical standpoint, I cannot be fucked doing the fundamentals right now. Oh. How do I start trading, and is it still worth it? So one of the things with trading, right, is it's not something that's going to become saturated. So I saw something from Iman Gadzi, whatever. It was like an ad that popped up. I would not voluntarily watch any of his shit, but he was saying that trading is too saturated now. How the fuck is it too saturated? That doesn't make any fucking sense whatsoever. Retail traders don't mean shit. Don't mean fucking anything. How is it saturated? It's just fucking garbage. And yes, it's worth it. Do you take trades over multiple days, or do you trade by the minute, hour most? Over multiple days. I guess, yeah. That's a hard question to answer. Do you take trades over multiple days, or do you trade by the minute, hours most? You might have to rephrase that. If my setup's there, I get in regardless. It's programmed into my expert advisor to get in regardless. OMG, that's a lot. Yeah. It's 5:30 a.m. right now. How are you trading? Aren't markets closed right now? Very new to trading. No, the markets are not closed right now. The markets are open. Forex runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And yes, I'm from Australia. It's 8:30 p.m. here. And there are other sessions that run all the time. Do you not like Eamon? I mean, like, I don't see much wrong with him. He's a marketing fucking genius. Like, he's a very smart dude. I don't want to watch his shit. I don't need to. He's just trying to sell his course and make other ways of making money seem bad. Yeah, well, yeah. Yeah. Pretty much, yeah. And I'm pretty sure his shit is like almost identical to what Andrew Tate does, which the Real World, or whatever the fuck the name is now. I'm pretty sure it's like exactly the same. I saw a video on like them being almost identical, which is basically just Discord. They've just made their own like Discord platform. OMG, FX Alex G messaged me. It's a scam account. Are you in anything right now? Yeah, I'm in 7 different currency pairs in 17 different trades. 15 different trades. Like, what's the average time frame from when you enter and exit? Okay, I gotcha. The average is around 2 to 3 days, I think. But I can be in within, an hour or two. I can be in for weeks. I swing trade, so days to weeks. Longest I've ever been in is like 3 months. It's very rare that I'm in for that long. Gold analysis. I've done gold already, like twice. So if you want to watch gold, go to YouTube and then just rewind it. but there's not much. Okay, fuck. There's not much. So, due to interest rates dropping potentially, we would be looking at long. So that would be weak for the US dollar. This is a US dollar cross, so gold up. From a technical standpoint, broke all-time highs. We've been... Oh, wait, no. Where are we? So, all-time high, all-time high, all-time high, all-time high. Didn't make it. All-time high, all-time high, all-time high. We've had quite a significant push down off of all-time highs, and we finished off bearish for the day. Usually this would mean potentially, from a technical standpoint, this candle flipping, going short. From a daily point of view, however, we are seeing quite a bit of strength. Whether we can get up to all-time highs, fuck knows, to be honest. Probably can. But fuck, man, this is a lot of volume and a lot of steam that's going to run out, and they're going to have a pullback probably down to here eventually. If not, if it keeps climbing, maybe back down to these levels. You just never really know, right? And we got interest rate. I'm not a fucking gold guru, so I don't particularly know how it reacts to a lot of shit, but it's a gold cross, right? So treat it as any other gold cross. Interest rates dropping for the US dollar, which means negative US dollar. This is which means negative US dollar. This is going up. That was probably the most fucked up explanation possible, but there you go. How does one know or figure out what to trade, like Forex futures, options? How do you choose? I've always traded Forex, right? Since fucking day one, which was about 5 years ago. It's what I know. Why would I change? There's not much, like, they're vastly different ways of trading too. If you're going to trade futures, options. I'm a swing trader, so options and futures don't apply to me because they expire. And I swing trade, so I can't have expiration dates on my shit. Hey, sweet man. Is set and forget a bad strategy to save me from editing TP and stop loss mid trade? What's set? Are you talking about FX Alex G's set and forget? Is that what you're talking about? Was last month profitable for you? Yeah, we did 6 point. Fuck, what was it? We didn't have a big month last month at all. The month before was better. We did 13.93% the month before, but last month we did, oh shit, I'm in the wrong chart. %6.29%. We did 6.29% last month. So yeah. Do you observe news that comes out, rate cuts, or do you observe chart trends? Both. Both. Yeah, both. I'm going to go see you later, Sienna. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for the gifts too. 54 plus 40 to what? Do you think for someone at 20 should start trading? I started trading at 21. Look at me now. So yeah. Stevo, thank you very much for following me. Gus, can you trade on TradingView in Australia and what broker is good? Yes, you can trade on TradingView. I do not like TradingView. I use MetaTrader 4 because I'm an algo trader and I use an algorithmic bot that I developed. And broker, black bull markets in Australia, you can't compete with any others. Like, you literally can't. You get the best leverage. And they're regulated. So I have a link in my bio. Yes, it's an affiliate link. No, they don't pay me fucking jack shit. So use it if you want. Don't use it if you don't want. If you use it and get me commission though, you get a month free in the mentorship. Plugging myself. Here we are. Full marketer genius. But yeah, I don't really care. Use them. Use my link. Don't use my link. Black Bull. Yep, that's the name. How'd you start? For someone new, where did you learn and go to gain knowledge on how to start? YouTube. I started on YouTube. Oh shit, sorry, one sec. No, I'm saying I have my stop loss and TP set and then I don't look at the trade until one of them hit. Of course, yeah. If you have a statistical probability that over a long enough time period that your strategy works, which is what you should know before putting any of your money in, you should back test and forward test and know that you have a statistical probability that you are going to beat the house essentially and have an edge over the market, which is the difference between gambling and trading, which I'm going to do a video on this week. So yeah, walk the fuck away. And yes, I started through YouTube. I eventually did courses, mentorships. I did the entire Baby Pips course. Did any of them do anything for me? Not really. I eventually found a mentor after like a year and a half and was profitable almost instantly. And then 6 months later, I decided to put my own money in. Is that the name? Yeah, that was the name. Links in my bio. G'day, mate. Quick question. What do you know about this BlackRock build or BUIDL? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Sorry, mate. Absolutely no clue. McLovin, thanks for following me. What pair is that? This is gold. Oh, God, no. Quick. Get it away. Flicker FX, thanks for following. Sebastian whatever the fuck the rest of it is. Followed. Studying RWAs. Nice. All good, mate. Yeah, sorry about that. Appreciate you answering my question. You recommend any courses for a beginner? I mean, you can watch my fucking... Where is it? Where the fuck are you? Free course on my Discord. Watch that. Beginner's Guide. Or join the mentorship and get one-on-ones with me. Easy, join Tom Discord. Thank you, Meeksy. Thank you. Thank you very much. Holy fuck, you've done 9k likes now? Don't even be doing that. What did you do for your birthday? Is your Discord in your bio? Yeah. Yeah. Everything's linked in my bio. Holy fuck, you guys talk a lot. Why, what did you do to go full 360 into locking in? Oh, dude, just, I don't know. Just cleaned everything up. Got back into the rhythm of shit. Mindset change. I don't know. I think a lot of what happened yesterday was a lot of like the come down of drinking as much as I did, and my serotonin was just non-existent, and it was just like, what the fuck am I doing? So I'm not gonna drink for a bit, and I'm just gonna focus on the community and everything for a while. Build this shit the fuck up. It's not like I was some alcoholic, but it was just like once a week, going too hard. Just turns you into a fucking idiot. And I had too many people coming in and out and in and out of this fucking place. And the place just got a mess, and then I don't know, bro. I don't know. So just cleaned everything up, made everything fucking spotless, and just, we're good to go now. Like, we're fucking good to go. Had a massive workout today. So, yeah, I don't know. Just complete mindset shift. This period will be when trading has the most retail, with all the TGR influencers pushing it, hence attracting new people. 1 to 1,000 will stay in the markets over, let's say, 3 years. Young people want everything but a job, so once they realise they can't pull it off, reckon the amount of day traders drops off massively. It's just how it works. I don't know if there's anything else though. McLovin, 2 roses. Thank you very much. Don't do it, bro. Why is TradingView bad? TradingView's not bad. I just prefer not to use it. Akami for dinner, then just drain for like 2 days. Shit. God. Wait, why are you telling him not to, what, join my Discord? Why is that, Gus? Curious. Hello, everyone. Hello, Courtney. It's good, because why? What's your daily bias for the day? Probably, it depends on PPI, and it depends on what you're talking about. Have you done it? What do you do, and how do you do it? I trade currencies, and I do it through years of experience. Trust, bro. Trading. Well, I'm so confused. Thanks for following me, Gus. What do you do? Yes, the rig is out. Yes, the rig is out. Yeah, I'm confused too, McLovin. I don't know why it's telling you not to. I'm a bit confused. What do you mean? Have I done TradingView is a good charting tool? I'm just so confused. It's OG. Yeah. I'm going to jail for being so good looking. Have you used TradingView? And I was saying to McLovin, don't join. Yeah, why don't join? Give us a reason. May as well sign up, McLovin. Why is that, Gus? Yeah, I'm so confused. Jake Peterson, thanks for following me. Hey, what's a PPI? Do you know how many fucking PPIs I've looked at? You know when the word just goes out of your fucking head? Price index. Producer. Oh my God. Jesus Christ, how did I fuck that? Oh. I kept thinking consumer. It's CPI. Oh, fucking hell. Jesus. Use trading. Bro, this guy's tripping me out. Yeah, he did. No, just charting. CPI buy or sell. US dollar potentially sell. Do you bro? I don't know why he's telling you not to join. He just won't say it. It's really weird. Price won't. Yeah, these nuts. Who is this fucking guy? What the fuck? Why are those seeing my comment? Wait, bro, I'm so confused with what's going on in here. You guys are tripping me the fuck out. Trade on your own, bro. Yeah, good luck. Just want to pick out these nuts. Pick out this. Yeah, but I need to learn from somewhere. Exactly. Probably don't even listen to. I don't know what the fuck these guys are talking about, but you do whatever you want, man. Pyrex and Fork. Thank you for following me. I might have to do this for mental reset. Go to Italy or Poland for like a week and get absolutely shit-faced and reflect on my life on the flight home. Don't do that. Nick, where are you from? Poland? Yes, sir. Born in Poland, but lived in the UK my whole life, pretty much. In the UK. I'm sorry. That's fucking funny. Tom, genuine question. Do you trade in US dollar or Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar. Because most crypto is in US dollar. What does that have to do with anything? And why are you telling people not to join my free community? It's very fucking weird. Like, give us a reason. Especially. Buy land and build a massive house. Bro, I want to go to Poland so bad. That would be sick. Gonna try crypto? Yeah, I know. That's fine. Yeah, not only that. I mean, look at the... Yeah, Finland has gone to shits. We spend 1 billion euros. Really? Oh man, this guy just isn't answering any questions. I don't even fucking bother. I can be bothered. I'm getting, antsy. I kinda wanna go. Join the Discord, bro. See, Ski, thanks for answering my questions. I'm gonna head to sleep at 6 a.m. Alright, good night, brother. Take it easy. And yeah, just send me a message whenever. Just hit me up. Any questions you have, I'll answer them. Okay, this guy's just annoying the fuck. Do I block or mute? Like, dude, you've been fucking... You're like asking me questions. And then... Following me? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Lux and Pierre, thanks for following me. M&S, thanks for following me. Okay. I'm too nice. He's blocked. I don't know what the fuck his problem was. He was literally asking me like multiple questions earlier. What to do, how to do it, blah, 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 blah. And then starts like talking shit. What's your drawdown? Before the stream started, 3.5%. Right now, might be more. It probably is more actually. 100% is more, but let's have a look at how much more. Fuck, my eyes just went so blurry. 3.98%. So, I mean, not that much more, but Under 4%. Was that pound odd or pound New Zealand? Damn. It's annoying. What are you trading? Currencies. Hey, handsome. How's everything today? What up, Xander? We're good. We're back to normal. Better than normal. Better than normal. Everything's fucking absolutely fantastic. What the hell was even that? Good to hear. Thank you. Thank you. I'm about to get off though. West Lance, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're about to jump off. We've been live for ages. We've been live for 2 hours, 20 minutes. Been going for a while. I'm just finished with my job interview. How'd you go? Emily and Lucas, thank you guys very much for liking. How'd your job interview go? Very good. We're going to talk some more. Nice. Applied for the job junior business manager. Great fucking work. Great work. Love how you got a Dutch bloke in the mentorship. Yeah, of course. For a big IT consultancy company. Great job. That's fucking awesome. Oh shit. I didn't even see that. 1970. With 8 motherfucking roses. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very, very much. I appreciate that. 8 fucking roses. Look, it sounds nice, Mick. Also, a part commission-based salary. Good shit. What the fuck? Measy, a Sakura, Choco Strawberries, and a Tiny Diny. Thank you very much, Measy. I appreciate that. We are about to jump off, though. I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. I really appreciate that, but thank you. You're off? Thank you very much for the likes. Hold up. I don't know how many you fucking sent. 10,271. Thank you. Thank you very much. That's fucking crazy. Wait, is this... I'm so confused. Altered, thank you very much for following me. I'm so confused. 1970 and 1977210 have the same, they're different accounts, but this, what the fuck is going on? Random. Anyway, thank you. 1970, what is it? 1970. Migsy, Eating Chips, Sienna, Faralerea, Will J, Xander, Dino Ra, Jack. Thank you all very much for the likes. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the comments. We had a fucking crazy stream. Crazy good stream. Great to just be back and feel good. Like, amazing to be back and feel fucking amazing. And we're getting stuck the fuck into it. We're getting stuck in. All right? Bro, why do you keep... Fuck, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Red Dog, God. As soon as I say goodbye. We're good. How are you? I gotta stop for a second because Red Dog's in here. But what's happening? I'm about to leave. Bro, sell or buy? On what? Flip a coin. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Come on, Red Dog, speed her up. Just come back tomorrow. I gotta go. Been good, 4 weeks left of school. Fuck yeah, let's go. That's awesome. Not long now. All right. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. It's nice to see you all. Have a fantastic evening. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. See you later, kick, motherfuckers.